You have all been invited here today to witness the marriage of Vidushan and Kelasi. Marriage is the desire by two people not only to share themselves and their experiences, but also to accept one another as individuals.
Mr. I, Vidushan Jeevakan,
Take thee
Tulasi Surakumar,
to take Vidushan Jeevakan,
to be my wedded wife.
to be my wedded husband.
I promise to love you,
I promise to love you,
cherish you,
and
be faithful and loyal to
To
you
be faithful and loyal to you
for the rest of our lives together.
for the rest of our lives together.
Tulasi, you're a strong, smart, beautiful and driven woman. And I know you'll be Vidu's guiding light and do everything to protect and reciprocate the deep love he has for you.
Well, the day has finally come, and Tulasi and I would like to say thank you to each and every one of you for being here.